Good afternoon, everyone. Bill and Carrie with KB Trucks.
Hello.
Where are we at, hon? What are we doing here?
We are still docked at Castaway Key. However, we have come back onto the ship. We're hanging out on our veranda. We've just ordered some room service. We're just going to take a little while to chill and relax before we get going with our evening.
Yeah, we ordered the room service for you. To see what it would take.
Yeah, you want to know what it's like to get room service, right?
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
totally. We're totally doing it for you.
Yeah, we're doing it for you.
We're not even going to eat anything.
Yeah,
no.
Just for the pictures.
Yeah.
It's about 2:40. Let's see how long it takes. Room service has arrived. It was about 40 minutes. It took. They said about between 30 and 40.
30 to 40.
All right, hon. What do we get here?
So we started with this. This is called the All Hands on Deck. So it's basically just a cheese plate, but got some grapes on there and some crackers, really yummy.
Okay.
And then you ordered yourself some buffalo wings.
Okay.
I got myself what will probably be my final chicken tenders and french fries of this trip.
Chicken nuggies. Okay, chicken tenders.
And lastly, these are not on the room service menu, but you can get Mickey bars.
So
we grabbed a couple Mickey bars while we were at it.
Ooh, what's this?
Ketchup and barbecue sauce.
Oh, we got sauces. Okay. We are treated to a beautiful sunset tonight. What do they say, hon? Red sky night, sailor's delight.
Yep.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Well, let's hope it stays true.
I wonder what cruise ship that. I'm pretty sure that's a cruise ship out there.
Well, we've had an exciting afternoon of packing. We got to get ready to go. So part of this is we have to pack before we go to dinner, and then we need to put our luggage out in the hallway, and they will take it for us to port.
And it'll magically show up before we go through customs tomorrow.
Yep. And in addition to that, we're getting our tip envelopes taken care of that we'll give to our server, our assistant server, and the head server. So let's get this stuff out into the hallway, right?
Yep, and then move on to trivia.
Alright, we got our luggage out in the hallway, and when we went in this afternoon, they had luggage tags, so this is how we find them later at port. We're going to be looking for a gray daisy.
That's also how we get off the ship too. They call certain luggage tags.
Okay.
And so when we hear Gray Daisy, that's when we know we can get off the ship.
Once again, it's last night, so people are looking at their shutter photos throughout the floors. It's also Halloween night. Hi, Princess. What trivia is this?
This is Disney movie quotes trivia.
We've not done trivia on this cruise yet.
No, this is actually our first and, well, I guess our last.
Are you going
trivia.
Are you going through withdrawal?
I'm doing okay, actually.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Stopped in the Keg Compass for a quick drink before dinner. Carrie's really putting away her sangria already. She's halfway through and I just got my drink, so slow down.
Well, we have to get to dinner.
Slow down.
We have to get to dinner.
Slow down. Last night of trivia, and we have to hang our head. We can't win crap.
Yeah, we have struck out on trivia.
We got 20 out of 25.
Which I thought was really good.
Which it was, because the winner was 22. Two of them, and then had to go to tiebreaker. So, yeah, but we're going to drown our sorrows.
Yeah, drowning our sorrows.
Mojito. Why is it on the last night? I find my favorite place to go. What?
I don't know, we've been in there plenty of times.
Yeah, but like, mojito. Mojito.
They make them all over the ship. You've just never gotten one yet.
Mojito. Mojito.
Apparently he's going to have like 6 of them before we go to bed tonight.
Mojito. Mojito.
All right, let's get to dinner.
Once again, it's Halloween night on the cruise ship, and then the shutters photos pass people out again. Then you can do a photo in front of the big tree, here in front of the grand staircase, and then of course you have those stations around that we had talked about in previous videos. Catch the kiss goodnight. Back into our stateroom, and tonight's towel animal is a swan.
Stop looking at me, Swan!
And we also got our survey. We got to fill that out to tell them feedback on how they did on this cruise. We are going to judge this cruise separately from the 4-night because it's a different set of people. Back in our room for the evening. Final night on the Disney Wish.
Yep. Tomorrow it's back to reality, going to the airport.
I don't want to go.
I know, and then I gotta go back to work.
Shh, do not talk about these blasphemous things while we're still on vacation.
Right. We're still on vacation.
Still. All right. Well, this evening after we went to the Keg Case, got ourselves a little drink.
Keg Compass.
Keg Compass. I keep saying Keg. That's a different place in Minnesota. Anyway, went to Keg Compass. Mojito.
Yes, Bill was a little obsessed with his mojito.
Mojito. Anyway, so let's talk about dinner. We ate in
1923.
We ate on the Roy side, not the
Yes.
Walt Disney side. The restaurant has two sides to it. They are mirror identical except for like the stuff inside.
Yeah.
So they have throughout the restaurant they have
Concept art.
Concept art for different Disney movies and everything. But let's get to the meal. For the meal, what did we have?
So appetizer, I did the same as the last time we were in there. I did the burrata and prosciutto. It was fantastic. Still very good.
I had the deck. The deck.
You had the duck confit.
I had the deck confit. It was pretty dry to me. I don't know about the flavors. Part of it was just dry to me. You know, like I only ate half of it. But then for the next course, what did you get? You got a salad?
I did the tomato soup.
Okay.
And didn't you do the guinea hen chowder?
I did the corn chowder. What did you think of the
tomato soup? I mean, it's tomato soup, but it was really, really good. Mm-hmm. So I enjoyed it.
Yeah. I thought the chowder was okay. Wasn't quite what I was expecting, but it still was good. Definitely had the corn in there, and it was definitely a chowder. You know. Did you get the salads?
Yes, I did the pear. I did the fennel, Bartlett pear, and I don't know what that word is. Something salad.
Okay.
And it was not what I was expecting. The pear was good. The cheese was good. It had a lot of fennel, and I did not like the fennel.
Oh.
But I ate out the pears and the cheese, and those were good.
And I had the split Napa baby romaine lettuce salad, which was a wedge. Did I get that the first time?
I don't know if you did. I got it, and I liked it.
I liked it. It was good. I liked the dressing on it. It was just, pretty
It was
much
a
like
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad type thing. And then for the next course, with main course, the entree, everybody at our table got the filet mignon. Filet mignon?
Filet mignon.
Mignon.
Sure, something like that.
1923 peppered filet mignon. What did you think?
That was very good. Mm-hmm. I really enjoyed that. I mean, I'll be the first to say, of the three rotational dining menus, I think 1923 is my favorite, and probably because of that steak.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
It was good. It was good. And then for dessert, we had...
I just did the ice cream sundae, which was vanilla ice cream, chocolate sauce, and brownie pieces. And it was supposed to have a cherry on top, but there was no cherry. Yeah.
That's it. It's over. It's over.
It was supposed to be a glazed cherry, not just a regular maraschino.
I think the problem was you probably ate all the cherries
I
already
did not eat all the cherries.
on the ship.
The sundae was good. I enjoyed the brownie pieces. I was actually starting to get too full. I was too full from dinner. Probably shouldn't have gotten a sundae. That's why I just ate the brownies.
And I got their special dessert, the lemon and blueberry tort. What was that?
Something like that.
It was good. It was good. I liked that. I had that the first time. I love blueberries. Had that the first time. Really enjoyed it again the second time. I'd recommend it a third time. Anyway, so what did you think about dinner overall?
I enjoyed dinner. I thought it was very good. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, and unfortunately the sad thing is we had to say so long to our tablemates and new friends.
Yes.
It's one of the fun things that Carrie and I really enjoy about Disney cruising is the rotational dining, and you get to have a meal with the same people every night on your cruise. This was a different group than we had on the 4-night, but you get to know them and you have these conversations. It's really good. So we really enjoyed our table, and we've lucked out on all of our cruises.
We've always had excellent table mates, and you know, ones have been good enough friends that we've gone on cruises with after. Other ones, you know, we just stay in touch via social media. But I mean, yes, we have always had great luck with table mates. I know there are a lot of people out there who are afraid of doing it. Do it. I mean, honestly, like, we could be different backgrounds, whatever. We've always had great luck with them. And
find commonality.
You know, we were supposed to go, we wanted to go watch Match Your Mate this evening. We missed it because we were spending the time talking with our table mates. I totally forgot about that. But, you know, so it's like, I mean, it's great when you can have that, you know. It's different, and you make new friends. Yeah,
exactly. So, good night, good day here on the Disney Wish. Sad to say, final night. But do us a favor, please subscribe. About 90% of our viewers are 9 subscribers, so help us that. Also help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. So please help us out there. But stay tuned. We still have more vacation.
One more day.
Wait, we have to stay with us because we're going to show you tomorrow morning and how we're going to get off the ship, because we need to get from port back to MCO. And they don't have Magical Express anymore.
Yes, they do.
I'll shut up now. We're taking We're taking Magical Express.
Well, it's never been called Magical Express for Disney Cruise Line.
Okay.
It's just Disney Transportation.
Stay tuned to find out what they call it now. How's that? Anyway, thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You've been watching KB Treks. Do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.